A flotilla of boats was headed to the Pacific island of Ambae, Vanuatu, on Sunday as efforts got underway to evacuate all 11,000 residents because of an erupting volcano. Globs of lava were seen flying as far as 300 feet every few seconds, volcanologist Brad Scott told Radio New Zealand. The eruption has polluted water sources on the island, leaving thousands in need of safe drinking water, Red Cross delegate Joe Kropp told Reuters. "Water is crucial," he said. "It's important to get on top of it right away." The Vanuatu government announced it wants all 11,000 islanders evacuated by Friday. While some islanders have flown out, thousands of others have gone to emergency shelters as they prepare for the total evacuation, Reuters reported. The Manarovui volcano began rumbling in September, the Reuters report said. Volcanoes on the Vanuatu islands of Ambae and Lapevi are also active, Radio New Zealand reported.